Man, oh man, do we have a risky mix for you guys today. Right here are 2 gallons that have absolutely no business being mixed together. This is poison grape, and this is extra lime green. I've wanted to see what was gonna happen with these 2 gallons for a long time, but I never really got the opportunity. Now, Gabe is on vacation, so I'm by myself today. That doesn't mean we can't pretend that he's here, right? What do you think about these 2 colors being mixed together? Exactly. So here's about half a gallon of extra lime. Now, both of these colors have a moderate color coverage. So I don't think one's really gonna overpower the other one. But what happens when this purple goes into this green? Are we gonna make mud? Thoughts? Anything's possible, right? Purples and greens, you learn this when you're young. They don't mix together. They're complete, what do you call that? Contrasting colors on the color wheel. Here comes poison grape. All right. They're kind of staying apart here for a second. Are we going to stay away from a brown? Gabe, how's it look so far?
Yes.
Totally. All I want to do is stay away from a brown. It's staying green. That electric lime is not really blending all the way on the sides, but it's not going brown. This is almost a cool green. This is like a, hold on, let me show you. It's almost kind of like a tactical, military style, but highly metallic. Hold on. This might actually pay off. We'll see. S4 is right here with a gunmetal base. Let's get this color down right now. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and if you would have told me that this is what it would look like when you mix poison grape and electric lime, there's no way I would have believed you. We were all shocked. I'm gonna take the car outside right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you hate it, and if you want to dip your own wheels, your own emblems, or your own car, all of our kits are right here for you. We had a ton of fun on this project. We love doing experiments like this. We'll see you on the next video.